Hello IG Garage family. Is your car idling rough, struggling with acceleration, or using too much fuel? If your check engine light is on with the P0103 code, your mass airflow (MAF) sensor might be sending a high voltage signal, causing serious performance issues. If left unchecked, this can lead to engine misfires, stalling, or even limp mode. In this video, we'll cover what P0103 means, the exact location of the sensor, and how to diagnose and fix it easily. Let's get started. What does P0103 mean? The P0103 trouble code stands for Mass Airflow (MAF) Sensor Circuit High Input. This means the ECM is receiving a higher voltage signal than expected from the MAF sensor, which can throw off the air-fuel ratio and cause drivability problems. Symptoms of P0103 include check engine light on, rough idling and engine stalling, poor acceleration and hesitation, high fuel consumption, and possible limp mode activation. Common causes of P0103 are a dirty or faulty MAF sensor, shorted MAF sensor wiring, aftermarket air filters, vacuum leaks or intake issues, and in rare cases, a faulty ECM. Where is the MAF sensor located? The mass airflow (MAF) sensor is installed in the intake system between the air filter box and the throttle body. It is connected to the intake tube with a plugged-in electrical connector. The sensor has a 3-pin or 5-pin connector that sends data to the ECM. Look for frayed, shorted, or damaged wires that could be causing excessive voltage. If unsure, use an obd2 scanner to check live MAF sensor readings. First, inspect and clean the MAF sensor. Remove the sensor and clean it with MAF sensor cleaner. Do not use carb cleaner. Let it dry completely before reinstalling. Next, check the wiring and connections. Look for shorted wires or damaged connectors, and repair or replace any faulty wiring. Then, inspect the air filter and intake system. If you're using an oiled aftermarket air filter, switch to a dry one. Also, check for vacuum leaks or cracked intake hoses. Finally, reset the code and take the car for a test drive. Use an obd2 scanner to clear the P0103 code after fixing the issue. Take the car for a test drive to ensure everything runs smoothly. That's how you fix P0103 Mass Airflow (MAF) Sensor Circuit High Input. If your car is running rough, stalling, or consuming too much fuel, check your MAF sensor, intake system, and wiring. For more car repair guides, watch these videos next. P0193 Fuel Rail Pressure Sensor High Input and P0507 Idle Control System RPM higher than expected. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more expert fixes from IG Garage. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.